Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be looking over on how to create a game pass for Roblox on PMI community system. So let's get started. Okay, firstly, you want to go to create. You need to go to experiences, and I'm gonna use my current experience, which is PMI Gaming YT's place. But you do Roblox creates your own place just for like game passes and everything like that. So what we want to do is create place, click on place, and go to associated items. I cannot say that word, but items. Just click on that, and do not create like I just did. This is no longer available because I cannot get Robux from this because this is just the badges. But we want to go over here. We want to go to passes. See how all these passes for my please donate and everything, and please donate to me. Never mind. And then create game pass. What was the default into this? But you can just create your own custom look. But what you want to do is create your name. So I'm just going to put test. Need to put a description. So I am gonna put this as this. This is for a how to tutorial. And what you want to do is create Game Pass. Create Game Pass. You and it's off sale, but just want to click that, and then go to sales, and then item, and then check item for sale, and then for a PMI system to work, for the PMI system, we give you Robux for this way. In a giveaway channel, there will be a number of amount of Robux we give out to like to users. But right now, I'm just gonna do, like, for example, like 10. That give me 7 Robux. Save changes, and now you want to open another tab or go back. Open our tab, open Roblox, and go to your inventory, and go to passes, and wait for this to load, and do for test. Copy, if you're on PC, just copy the link, like image, like copy address, just copy the address, or just copy and do Control C or Command C and paste it into the giveaway ticket. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe, and please check out my website down in the description for links that will help me, that will help you, and my merch. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy, and